Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In previous video, we have seen the introduction of diagonal scale and what is diagonal principle, and also we have solved one problem related to the diagonal scale, right? In this video, we will solve another problem related to the diagonal scale. So let's start. Construct a diagonal scale of 3 by 200. So RF is given 3 by 200. Showing meters, decimeter and centimeter. So 3 unit we have to show: meter, decimeter and centimeter. To measure up to 6 meter, so maximum distance to be measured is a 6 meter, and we have to show this measurement: 4 meter, 5 decimeter and 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter, right? So next step is find out the length of scale. Length of scale is equivalent to RF into maximum distance to be measured. So if we simplify this, we will get length of scale is equivalent to 90 millimeter. Okay. So next step is using this length of scale as a length, draw a rectangle having length equal to 90 millimeter and height is equivalent to 50 millimeter. So we will select height in such a way that it could be easily divided into 10 equal parts, right? So this is my 90 millimeter and this is my 50 millimeter. Now maximum distance to be measured is a 6 meter. So we will divide this 90 millimeter into 6 equal parts. So 90 divided by 6, 15 millimeter each. So this is my division, 15 millimeter each. At the end of the first division, put a 0 mark over here, and right hand side of the 0, our primary unit, that is meter, 1 to 5 meters, and on the left hand side of the 0, our secondary unit, that is called decimeter. So 1 meter is equivalent to 10 decimeter. So we have to divide this length into 10 equal parts. Though this length is a 15 millimeter, so we cannot easily divide using scale. So we have to use that method, right? So using that method, let's divide this line into 10 equal parts. I hope you already know this method, right? Now we have to draw the diagonal line. So diagonal line that connect this 0 to 1. So we have to mark the 10 points similar way over here, right? So one of these should be joined with the 0. So that way we will get our diagonal line. Similar way, 1 will join with the 2, then 2 will join with the 3. That way we will get our all the diagonal line, right? So you can easily do it using roller scale. Let's do the numbering. Now we have to divide one decimeter into 10 equal parts, right? So for that we will divide this into 10 equal parts using roller scale. So we have already selected this height as a 50 millimeter, so 5 millimeter each, and draw this horizontal line throughout this scale, and also do the numbering. And this will be our tertiary unit, that is called centimeter. Write it down the RF at the bottom of this scale. So this is my RF. This is my complete diagonal scale. Now I have to show this 4 meter, 5 decimeter, 6 centimeter. So 4 meter. So this is 4 and this is meter, 4 meter. Then 5 decimeter, move up to 5 decimeter and 6 centimeter. So we have to move 6 centimeter up to diagonally upward, right? So from 5 to 6 centimeter diagonally upward. So this is the point. So this is the line indicating 4 meter, 5 decimeter and 6 centimeter. Similar way, 9 centimeter. So this is 1 decimeter. Centimeter is less than 1 decimeter. So we have to move from 0 to 9. So 0 to 9. So this indicates a 9 centimeter. Let's give it some name, CD. So this is the two measurement that shows 4 meter, 5 decimeter and 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Now here is a question for you. Represent 24 centimeter on this scale, right? If you know the answer, do comment in the comment section. and to view such a more content, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.